To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy. The market trend is to buy. Big candle. Big candle. Local support. Buy orders area. Buy pattern. Nearest support. Design local support. Local support. Design local support. Nearest support. This is local support. Big candle. Nearest support. Nearest support. Buy orders area. Buy pattern. Big candle. The market has many positions. The market has positions every day. The market trend is to buy. Two shadows candlestick on resistance. Two shadows candlesticks. Candlestick. This is candlestick. This is the candlestick pattern. This candle is the candlestick. This is a candlestick. This is candlestick. This candle is the candlestick. Two shadows candlesticks. Sales, price action, sales orders area. Return candle. Back candle. Back price. Fedline candle. This is the best Fedline candle. The strongest resistance. Very strong area. Please be sure to choose the best stop loss. This point is stop loss. Stop loss. Open position. This point open position. Please choose the exact profit. First profit. Profit is the next support. The best profit is here. First profit. This is the profit point. First profit. The next support is profit. Two profit. This point is profit. The next support is profit. Two profit. The next support is profit. Please continue. Open position. This point open position. First profit. Two profit. This point is profit. This is the profit point. The next support is profit. First profit. Two profit. Please choose the exact profit. Great profit. The best profit is here. I suggest check out my videos every day. Focus on development. Excellent position. Great profit. Don't worry about the position, there is always a position. To support us, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Your support makes us happy.